Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install Blocksy Companion. Blocksy Companion plugin, as you can see here, is a plugin that turns Blocksy theme into a powerful Swiss Army knife. Basically, what that means is, if we scroll down here, we're going to get more header builder features, the starter sites library, more extensions, performance upgrades, and beta releases. And we'll get everything there. Now, we could do it the hard way and click on download now, and it take us to WordPress here and make us download the plugin. But if you've installed Blocksy under your themes here, and you can see that once this loads up, we'll have our Blocksy activated. Okay, we have a Blocksy child or Blocksy here, and then Blocksy child, which is because we have a starter template already installed. It's going to automatically prompt us to install Blocksy Companion. So let's go ahead and click on Install Blocksy Companion, and it'll automatically activate it for us. And once that happens, watch what happens once our dashboard refreshes. We get the Blocksy tab here on our left sidebar. And you can see we have everything that we need at hand in order to customize our Blocksy website. Okay, as you can see, we have shortcuts for a customizer here if you want to manage the colors and palettes, typography, so fonts, headers, footers, how to adjust our blog roll, our posts, our pages, and our sidebar. And we also have our tutorials and knowledge bases over here. The cool thing about having a Blocksy Companion plugin is that it gives us the starter sites. And once this loads up, we can see all of the starter sites that we could use. Now, keep in mind that if you are on Blocksy free, you'll only be able to use the ones that don't say Pro. But if you paid for Blocksy Pro, then you don't really have to worry about anything, and you can use any of these sites that you see here. And next, we can see our extensions, and we can configure them from here. So, for instance, white label or the fonts. And next, we have a tab for plugins that are recommended by Creative Themes or the team that created Blocksy, and the changelog here to see which features are available or not depending on the version we're using, and that'll help us out once we go to communities and knowledge base to see if our current theme is running those features, if it's possible or not. So with our Blocksy Companion, let's go ahead and click on a brand new website, start a theme, and import it. And let's select Gutenberg and install these forms because it won't work without them. And install all of these. And let's wait for it to load up. Okay, once it's done, we can either click on Customize or View the Site. Let's click on View Site for the meantime, and we can see that we have our brand new starter template here that we can customize to our liking. And if you clicked on Customize here, it just takes us to the WordPress customizer. And we can set up our global defaults, our options from here. And you can see we have our general options here. So we have layout, and we can change the site width, our content edge spacing, area spacing, if we want to enable or disable our scroll to top. And it should appear here. There you go. And the website frame, if you wanted to do this. And if you're happy with that, you can click on Publish. But if you wanted to customize this main site or anything under here, we can click on Edit Page. And that takes us to the block editor. And we can edit all of these. We can make it bold. Oh, if you highlight this, we can make it bold or italics. We can change the buttons where it leads to. We can change the spacing. And there's a lot of options here that you can do with Blocksy. And we can also change the containers and what all of these logos are. And we can replace these icons. You can replace images as well. And well, since this is a dynamic image, or we can just upload a brand new one, or just use something from our library. And we have one from a previous video here about individuals and stuff. So let's use this funny pug here, and then we can make it much larger. We can move it. We can make the spacing larger. We can align it towards the side, and we can make it large or wide. Okay. And once we're happy with that, with our changes, once you make it customized to your own preferences, to your liking, it's done. Let's head over to our main website here, and you can see that we have customized the site to our liking. So there's the Blocksy companion for you. That's what it adds, or that's what makes Blocksy work, and that's what makes it so much easier to use. Is it adds these features such as starter templates, and it gives you so much other options for you to be able to use Blocksy easier. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, so this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.